Let's just pull into the bar. And having your feet off the tire.
There? Well, watch out. Tell me.
Okay, yeah, but I'm like 3 feet shorter than you.
If I was 3 feet shorter.
Justin, look out.
With a ladder.
I guess on the wrist. That's slow-mo. Faster's easier.
I don't even think I can reach the fucking thing.
Use the tire.
I know, but
Do like I did, grab the bar with both hands and pull.
I don't have the upper body strength.
Justin, why don't you just help her in the truck?
She said she could get in there.
That's not good,
You up and get in the truck.
You guys just have fun watching me try to do this.
Oh, fuck yeah. This is comedy, man. This is usually entertainment.
Yeah,
No.
some people do this when they're drunk.
Or in a
I can't
miniskirt.
get drunk.
See what happens when they do it in a miniskirt or
But if Dana can do it, you can do it.
Drew's girlfriend. She was fine trying
Actually,
to.
really funny, her tits are stuck under the truck. He's trying to pull himself up.
Okay, I don't need to have that problem.
Why can't I get in?
For the jam, Chrissy.
Okay, what can I grab on?
Anything but the.
It's not for you here. That's what
They're in the steering wheel.
That's like the only thing I can reach. Yeah, that'll put the freaking door off.
Yeah, you can hold on to it.
Sure, I tried that one.
What's the other foot, Chrissy?
Yeah, left foot. There you go.
Yeah, well, I had
I tried not to put my candy cane out at the same time.
Alright.
Imagine if people wear helmets I'm doing this.
You should have like a contest. And you're not allowed to play in it.
Okay, now the downfall with this is she can't. She's not allowed to jump out. So.
No, but just hold her.
Hey, you're kind of dirty now, eh?
What do you think I wear these pants?
Open the door. I'll help you out. You can't jump.
You don't want to jump. You will hurt your knee.
Obviously.
We can give you the stool and you can step on the
I
stool.
could go to the ladder.
Yeah, you could.
How are you gonna catch me?
Just put him there. Hold on to the door. Hold on
He
to the
wants
bar.
to do you, so he will catch you.
Good to
Oh,
know.
I gotta see this. Hey, Jimmy Fly thinks that his ass is fucking
This will be a cushiony.
You better fucking grab me, because I'm
Well,
going to the height.
Grab the stool then.
Stool's worse.
Yeah.
Trust me. I picked it up.
Grab the door, hold
Didn't
the
work.
bar, and just slide yourself down.
Yeah, fucking slide myself down, I'll drop.
If you grab the bar, that's your left hand.
Yeah.
And then you kind of swing around and down. It's not nearly as bad. That's how I do it off the trailer.
She's got bad knees.
You want Mike to just lift it up, or Darcy to lift it up or something?
I can get stuff like you.
I don't want to like jump out of your head.
Mike?
I think it's fucking hilarious.
This is funny.
I've had
This
him
is
jump
funny.
on me.
Let's crow. I wouldn't.